What's up guys, welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and today we are at DTE Systems in Recklinghausen in Germany. And well, we are here because they offered this Porsche 718 Cayman S for us to drive, and it's a car from RSR Nürburgring. So this car is actually here for DTE to develop the software for this car, and well, it's also the beginning of a possibly very nice partnership between AutoTopNL and RSR Nürburgring, because we will be doing some cool stuff with them at Spa-Francorchamps and the Nürburgring. So today we're going to take this Cayman S, which is stock. So they already took it on the dyno over here to do sort of a baseline test for the software, and it already developed 370 horsepower, which is 20 horsepower more than Porsche says it has. So take it to a nice road around here and see what it's like. It also has these very cool carbon fiber bucket seats, and other than that it also has the Sports Chrono Pack, I think, because we have this Sport Plus driving mode selector and the little clock on the dash. So we'll take it for a drive around here and check it out. Here we are at a lovely road to take this Cayman for a drive. Lovely road to take a little cycling tour as well, apparently. Okay, so we drove the 718 Boxster S at MTM last year, I think. So if you want to check out that review, click up here for some more general information. A quick recap: they went from a flat 6 to a flat 4, a 2 liter in the regular Cayman and a 2.5 liter in the Cayman S. But something interesting is that they actually run higher boost on the 2 liter, and it has a higher specific power output of 151 horsepower per liter, and this has 140 horsepower per liter with less boost, but it has more horsepower than the standard Cayman, obviously. So that actually leaves more room for aftermarket tuning, and well, that's why DTE Systems offer this power increase. So you can get around 418 horsepower in your Cayman, and as standard, as I said, it has 350, although they found out that it delivers 370 horsepower as standard. So let's put it in Sport Plus, shifts down. Oh, that PDK gearbox is so lovely. Oh my god, that's... So of course you're going to miss that lovely sound of that flat 6 engine, but you gain horsepower, you gain daily usability, you gain torque. It has 450 Newton meters, 0 to 100, 4.4 seconds, and a top speed of 285 kilometers an hour for a 4-cylinder. I mean, that's crazy. Oh, that gearbox is so quick. And this engine is actually really torquey. So, because it now has a turbo engine, companies like DTE Systems can offer a power increase really easily, and it's just so easy to access more power. So why are we driving this car today? Well, as I said, we are planning something cool with RSR Nürburgring. We will let you know what it will be, but they have a very cool program running right now, which is called Standard versus Modified, where you can drive standard car and modified car on the track and see the difference. And they have all these partners like a Grabación and KW suspension, Michelin for the tires, and DTE systems for the performance increase. So we are definitely going to do something cool with that, as well as driving some other cool cars on the track, and maybe do something cool with an instructor or something like that. So definitely stay tuned for the cool stuff we have planned in the future. Back to the Cayman, because it's mid-engined, you have that great chassis, you have perfect weight distribution, it has lots of grip, and well, let me just show you by pulling away from a standstill. I think we can even do launch control. Oh, that's, yep, that's a lot of grip. It just struggles at the start and then catapults. So this is such a perfect car to drive on the track. This car actually also has some camber on the wheels, so it's a little more direct and a little more sensitive in the steering wheel, but it's just such a lovely car. For now, I'm going to enjoy this car a bit more. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit short, but you know, it's just to let you know that we have some stuff planned and to give sort of an introduction, a teaser to our plans with RSR Nürburg. So definitely subscribe if you haven't yet. You can click on the little icon in the bottom right corner, and you can follow us on social media. Just search for AutoTopNL and you will find us. Thanks guys. See you at the next one.